In this step, we will thread mill this hole. To do so, we will first create a 1/4 inch thread mill tool and then set the thread mill cut parameters. Expand the gallery in the 2D group, and then select Thread Mill. Select the inside face of this hole, and press OK. Select Tool. Then right-click in the tool list and select Create Tool. Select Thread Mill. Then press Next. Leave thread form as Unified National. Change threads per inch to 11. Outside diameter 0.25. Overall length 3. Change the shoulder length to 1. The shoulder diameter to 0.125. And the shank diameter to 0.25. Change the cutting length to 0.090909. Then press Next. Change number of flutes to 1. Change the FPT value to 0.002. And change SFM to 81.80628. Change the feed rate to 2.5, plunge rate to 25, retract rate to 50, and spindle speed to 1250 if necessary. Then press Finish. Select Cut Parameters. Enable Override Geometry Diameter, set to 0.625. Select Linking Parameters. Make sure Clearance is enabled and set to 1 absolute. Retract 0.25 absolute. Feed plane 0.1 incremental. Top of thread 0 absolute. And thread depth is minus 0.875 absolute. Then press OK to generate the operation. Select All Operations and click Verify. To get a better view of the part, select Verify, and then select XY clipping plane and select Clip Top. Now we can see a cross-section of the part. You can disable wireframe to get a better view. Return to Verify and change Clipping Plane to Off. Then close the simulation window. And return your view to Isometric. Then toggle the toolpath displays off. In the next step, we'll reorient the part to machine the slot. First, select Setup Number 2, and to make sure none of the operations in Setup Number 1 are selected. Then right-click on Setup Number 2, edit selected operations, and change NC file name. And change the file name to Setup Number 2. Then collapse Setup Number 2 and Setup Number 1.